fully straight pipe. We straight piped it earlier. It's just too loud for him. So I want to let you guys hear it before. Give it gas. Mufflers, offsets. We'll let you guys hear it after. Dean Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Freaking beast. Would love to have me one of these. They're beautiful cars. Anyways, I might buy it from him when he sells it. Anyways, factory converter there and there. We'll let you guys hear it when it was straight pipe. Now we added 2 Flowmaster FXs right there, as you guys can see. One here, one here. Part number 71235. There'll be a link in the description for them. There they are. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. Then we deleted the rears earlier, there and there, and put in 5-inch black tips there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the 2 pipes that we had on it that we took off. Flow FXs, guys, in the mid. Much better. And when you get on it, it gets loud. It's still 108, it's nothing compared to before. Sound decibels. Again. 110 max. It was 108. And the more they warm up, they quiet down even more. Perfect. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. That smoke you guys see, that's from the manufacturing on the mufflers, the oils in them. It goes away after like 30 minutes. Perfect? Yeah, that's good. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, sir. What do you guys think of the sound? Which one do you like more, before or after? Let me know in the comments. Did you like a straight pipe or did you like with the flow effects? I like them both. This is more family style, and then the straight pipe when you want to just have fun. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Was straight pipe before, now it's got flow FXs on it. So it dropped the decibels from 121 to 108, maximum 110.